This is the guided tour of the Gammersfelder Mission Center. As we come on in, you are entering into the reception area. This is where all the patients will sit and wait and actually just basically register for their appointments for the day. A lovely counter that was donated here through a generosity of a great team that came through. But that's our reception area. Just taking you over to the surgical side. This would be where we would consider our pharmacy. It actually is the pharmacy. We're not up and functional yet, but this space would be our pharmaceutical area. We have a bathroom here to the right, and as you would come in for a surgery day, you basically come in through here, and this area is our changing room with a bathroom facility. To the left of us is the physicians and staff changing quarters that has a bathroom there on the end on the left. If we were a patient here, we would walk in, we would do our changing, and we would enter into the preparatory or the pre-surgical area, pre- and post-op care. We have room for at least 6 bays, I would say, in this area, which would take you then into one of the surgical rooms. This is the first surgical area. Surgery room, actually number 2, I think is how we would term this. This is the hand washing station in between the 2 surgical rooms. So as I step back and get a little more focus here, that's surgery bay number 1, primary, and this is the surgery bay number 2, with an intermediate station that can be used for the surgical transfer of the ophthalmologist or the surgeon. So here is our primary surgical room. And you can see we've got quite a bit of space here. Dimensions we can bring up later. Again, now here would be the pass-through into surgical room 2. This would be where we would do our hand washing station. The surgery area then also has a pass-through area for our autoclaving and of the equipment. So you can see again, it can pass through to exam number 1, or I should say surgical area number 1 and surgical area number 2. And this also has access to the hallway, the main hall in the back of the surgery center, which connects you down to access to the pharmacy, but also right back to where we somewhat started in the staff and doctors changing quarters here. Again, we feel like we have a wonderful facility, just needs a little more development. Back here into the pharmacy, and as you leave out the pharmacy, we do have a small consultation area for private consultation of medications. So that's the quick tour of the surgical side. You can see now, as I look through the pharmacy window, we're back out into the main area, waiting area, and that door actually is a lead door into our prayer and or dental area. So that concludes the surgical side of the Gammersfelder Mission Center, and we'll proceed over to the primary care side.